What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do shotgun only challenge. Let's get right into it. Oh my god, it's so hard. With shotgun, two people on it. But oh crap, I have. Hey, you don't gotta talk about it, right? Nice, got that kill. Oh my god, oh my god, where did that guy come from? One guy, where's the people? Dead? On it? On me? One is white. Nice. Dead. On this shotgun has no range. 25. Ah. On it? Nice. How many kills do I have? 26 kills. Then I would have gotten like 50 kills if I had a AR. Guy over there. Can I shoot them in this range? Probably not. But I'll try. Guys, I have a glitch. But keep on missing each and every shot, bro. It's impossible with the shotgun. Please, please, please die. Nice. Good. On me? On it? Nice. Nice. Guys, comment down below if any ideas of my any video ideas you have, and I'll do it. Okay. The top comment and if there's only one comment, then I'm gonna do this whatever the comment says. That comment says. But if there's multiple comments, the most liked in that comment or the top most comments, I'll do the video. Okay? I'll do exactly that video. It doesn't have to be using games. It's what you prefer. So you can tell me to play like, I don't know, Steal the Brain Rot or something. Or you could tell me to play some other shooting game, anything. It's all up to you guys. Okay? So that's the thing. On it. And like this video and subscribe if you are here right now and have watched till now. Comment down below if you want to for me to talk my mic again, or you just want to hear music with all the sorry guys, I can't talk. Having a hard time talking. On me? On 24 white, bruh. Okay. Well, I'm running in circles. Where's people? I need people. I need people. Oh my god, behind? And in front of me, what should I do now? Like, yeah. On it? Please, please. Why can't that shoot? Where did that guy disappear from? What? I swear I saw a guy there. On me. Where are you looking at, bro? Where are you looking at? Where are you looking at? Oh, hell no. Please, die. Okay, nice. Oh! Let me see. Is it good? I think it's good. Haven't used it yet, but I can use that shotgun. Nah, this thing is good. Oh my god, everybody on me. On me. 20. Oh, but I need to use this gun more, bro. There's another one. Let me see. I only have 17 bullets. I need to. I only have 17 ammo. Where are people? Everybody's over there. Nice. 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 Dead. But this gun is perfect, bro. Dead. Dead. Oh my god, this gun is so good. 44? Why? No! That gun was perfect, bro. Now back to this normal Nokia gun. Right? Ready? There. Please! Die! 16 seconds left. Come on. 48, bro. Give me the other gun. That would have done like 118 or something. Oh, hello there. Oh, that's so good. Oh, and victory royale. Woo! Okay, and make sure you guys like and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget 500 subscribers equals face reveal. Have a nice day and bye.